Our Hypericum Cream. The Hypericum Cream is fantastic if you've got incredibly dry skin that's quite tight as well, and it's itchy in relation to that dryness. Now, I make a beautiful Hypericum tincture made out of apple cider vinegar here in our lab. And also, I do a fresh herb infusion, of course, from permaculture grown herbs that we grow here on our farm. Beautiful locally heated honey, and I'll pop in there a lot of high vitamin D oils. Things like apricot oil, castor oil. They're very deep and they're very nourishing to keep those really dry areas moist. Coconut oil in there as well, and beeswax to keep that little bit of a barrier there, to keep those moisturizing oils in. I also pack it full with antibacterial essential oils, which makes this cream an absolute success for those people with very tight, dry, itchy skin.